How to download Gacha Neon for iOS devices. First go to Settings, General, Background App Refresh and make sure it is turned on. And then you have to go to the App Store settings as well here and make sure that the automatic downloads are turned on for both mobile data as well. Then you go to any browser and type in the following address, scarlet3.com, and then at the top just search for Gacha Neon and then tap on the install button on the side. It's around 160 megabytes here, so it might take a while to download, guys. Make sure you are on Wi-Fi connection here, of course, unless you have 4G unlimited data. You can go ahead and proceed with the installation of Gacha Neon on your iOS device. This will work with any iPhone model, guys, and any iOS firmware. So tap on allow here and then go back to the settings page that we were before. Go up to the very top, tap on profile, download it, and then press on install here. This will install the Gacha Neon app here, and then when you go back to the home screen, you should see it appearing usually at the very end of the home screen. So you can just go ahead and now enjoy Gacha Neon on your iOS device. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.